Welcome to today's guide on how to view stories you've muted on Facebook. If you've ever muted someone's story and now want to revisit it, this step-by-step tutorial will help you access them quickly and easily. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu where you can find various settings and options. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once expanded, select Settings. This section contains all the tools to customize your Facebook experience. Under the Audience and Visibility category, locate and tap on Stories. This is where you manage everything related to Facebook Stories. Finally, beside stories you've muted, tap on View. Here, you'll see a list of all the stories you've muted. You can browse through them and decide whether to unmute any of them or simply view the list for reference. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage muted stories on Facebook and ensure you're in control of your social media experience. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy customizing your feed.